Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add hyperlink in PDF. So for that you need to open up your PDF in which you want to create a hyperlink, and I'm just giving you an example using Word document, but the process is similar on a PDF document. So for that you need to select a particular part of your PDF where you want to add hyperlink. You can also select a picture in your PDF document in order to add a hyperlink to it. So just select a particular part, and then a link option will appear at the top, like this one, and here just click on insert link. After that you can enter a link or copy paste a link into this area, or you can also select a particular part of your PDF document where you want the hyperlink to be redirected to. So these are the two ways, and select one of them, and after that just click on insert and you will be able to hyperlink your PDF document. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.